So in this video, we're going to look at the firmware 1.7 on the Novation circuit. In this case, I have a little setup here I'm just going to show you. So I'm going into synth 1, that's baseline. So I'm just going to play what we have. It's just the same note playing over and over again. Then I went to the next pattern and I made different notes. Okay, so for each one of these I had the lead coming in. So I'm just gonna show you what I have for the lead. So that's kind of what I want it to play. I want the first part to be 4 times, then 2, then 2, then 4 again. So I want it to loop all of that. Now normally if I just do this, it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing. Let's actually program that in. So what you have to do is just count it out. Right now we're on here and we see that as 1. So when we're holding down shift, we press this again. Now we have 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna do the same thing here. So shift, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we can see that. We can also, while we're holding shift, we can switch between these by pressing the octave buttons, just so we can see where we are. And now we press play. So that's playing, and that sounds good. So we're going to turn on the drums here. Okay, so I have this set up just really basic. So it's a normal drum beat here, and then if it goes to here, it's just like a little fill. And then here is this hi-hats going faster. So what I think I want to do for this is hold down shift. It's already at 1 here, 2, 3, and then we're going to go to do the fill, and then 1, 2, 3 times here. So we have it alternating from these. Now we're going to press play and we have all that set up now. Now let's say we want it to just keep repeating that. We just press them. When we press that, we erase all that memory that we just changed. So when you do that, be careful knowing what you're gonna do here. So right here I have some drone notes. So I'm gonna go in here. We have a note. And then the gate is set to 16. And then we hold down shift and we have this. Now that's the legato button. So you have to be, again, make sure you're in gate mode. You choose the note you want, and you want it to be able to go beyond the bar or the length of the whole bar in order for it to keep droning. Again, shift and make sure that is illuminated up here. And now we have that set for both synths. So we have that, and we're just pressing play, and there we are. It's just gonna keep going. Okay, so let's just make a chain here. This is going to just make 2 here because it's going to play that once and then it's going to play all the way through here. We're going to do the same thing here. And then let's play it. And while it's playing, let's say I want to add to this and play this 2 times. 1, 2. Again, you just hold down shift and you press that pattern and it's just going to add right onto it. So there it is. If I want to clear that whole thing again, I'm just gonna go to here, change those drums. There's one more thing I want to show you. I'm just gonna change the length here. So when you're in gate here and you have a note selected, hold down shift. Now what you see up here are some blocks. What you would imagine this as projecting out here, and this is the timing. It's like a micro timing. So you can hear easily what it will do if you press play. Let's go back to that note.